If you want to see how I purchased and planted these Shampoo Ginger Rhizomes, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I'm extremely excited for this video because I have been waiting by the mailbox, not really, by my email, waiting for this package to come. And I know you guys are probably like, why is Ashley creating a video about a plant? But if you have seen the Facebook or Instagram videos about this plant, then you know why. So basically there's this woman who showed this video of a plant called Shampoo Ginger that you squeeze and this liquid comes out that they use as shampoo. So of course I was like, I need to purchase this plant and give it a try. So I did. I went on Etsy and there's this seller who owns Tropical Mix that sells these plants, and I grabbed one. So it just came in the mail today and I'll show you what it looks like. This is the root of the plant. So this is what will go in the soil. I have a pot already and I just got an email from Home Depot saying that my potting soil is ready, and this is the stem. And this is a rhizome, so it does not have the actual plant yet, but that is something we are going to grow together. Hopefully, I'm not a plant person. It's hard for me to keep things alive, so hopefully this won't be a struggle, but I've been watching YouTube videos and reading about it, so hopefully this works out. I'll keep you guys updated on the growth of it and everything like that, especially once it has bloomed and we're ready to squeeze the shampoo out. But for today, we're gonna just get it planted. So let's head over to Home Depot and pick up our potting soil. Okay, so I just want to show you all what I purchased from Home Depot. So originally I was just going in for the Miracle-Gro indoor potting mix and I was only going to purchase one bag, but I looked at the pot that I had at home and I realized that it just wasn't large enough. So I purchased a larger pot, which holds a 9.5-inch plant. And then I asked the Home Depot representative if this indoor potting mix was good. This was actually what he recommended I buy. So I purchased 2 bags of those to fill this larger pot. And then he also recommended the indoor plant food. So this is the plant food that I purchased, also by Miracle-Gro. So now we can go ahead and get started and get these stems in the pot. I'm so excited. Okay, so first I'm just going to pour the dirt in the pot. I read the instructions that the seller gave to me, and it says that the Shampoo Ginger likes to be pretty close to the surface, so I'm gonna fill it up almost to the top before I add the stems or the stalk. All right, so that was one bag, and we're almost there. It filled up way more than I thought it would with just one. So I'm actually going to add them in now. You can see here. Put one on one end and one on the other. And then I have one a little bit closer to the front and one a little bit closer to the back. Again, I know nothing about plants, so take what I say with a grain of salt, but just figured I'd give the roots some room to grow. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour some more on here. And it says in the winter it requires very little water. And it's winter here now, so I'm not gonna add too much water to this. Just add up. I'm trying not to make a mess in the house. And there we go, I just did. Okay, so I think that's good. Just patting it in place. No, I just feel dirt everywhere. We'll get that cleaned up. We're just patting it in place so that the stems don't move too much. And I guess I am going to add a little bit of water. It says that we don't need to add too much, but I want to water it when I'm applying the indoor plant food. So this says apply directly to the soil, 1 pump per small pot, 2 pumps for larger pots, water as usual. So I'm going to add this today and then do it again in 10 days. And I'm not gonna water it too much, so I don't know if I will water it every 10 days, but maybe I'll just do it every 2 weeks. Okay, so I guess that's what I need it to do. And then I'll grab some water, pour some water in it, and then we'll be done. So I guess I should have also purchased a watering pot. I don't have one, so I'm just going to use this to add some water to the soil. It's already pretty moist. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, so I'm not gonna add any more than that. And I am now going to just let it do its thing. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned to see how these beauties grow and how we use the Shampoo Ginger. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you so much for watching.